Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's a pleasure, in fact, to have Dr. Chris along with me, and I just wanted to talk to her for a while. And because I'm personally a big fan of hers, and most of the doctors in our community know her very well because of her services and the prizes she has won for her extraordinary efforts in curtaining leprosy. And she's been very close to the leprosy patients, and the way she deals leprosy patients, not as a patient but as a care system deliverer. We would talk about that, and also we'll get to know what she feels about us, about the people of Pakistan and the healthcare system she encounters. Thank you very much, Dr. Chris, for sparing some time for us. And my first question is, how do you feel being very close to leprosy patients and taking care of them for so many years? I mean, you are not tired. I'm seeing you for many years since I'm here in Mayo Hospital for more than 8 years. And I'm seeing you come every time for the workshop, not only here but elsewhere as well. And you are so enthusiastic and at the same time very humble lady to manage it all. How do you manage it all?
Well, I think it is very rewarding to serve patients. I think it does not matter whether this is a patient of leprosy or whether it is a patient of tuberculosis or of any other disease. I think it is a very important point for the medical profession. Sometimes do not get the health care which they would need.
So you mean that the responsibility on the patients is also there, that at the community level they should take care of their health. Okay, my final question is, as a doctor, you've been involved in various trainings to the doctors, but being in contact with the leprosy and the tuberculosis patients, what a word of wisdom would you like to give to the community, to the patients around, that what exactly should they do in order to minimize the risk of getting infections?
Yeah. I think my advice would be, first of all, to not expect overnight results. I think this is sometimes the biggest issue, that patients and their families expect a sudden miracle in getting a disease cured, and especially in diseases like leprosy and tuberculosis, this cannot happen. And my main advice is, if there is the question of leprosy or tuberculosis, seek proper diagnosis and complete your treatment. I think if people would be doing this, that would be a tremendous progress. More needs to be done.